Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know, it is called Hargrove Robotics, and I'm going to be showing you how to code / program, or whatever you refer to it as, on the TI Nspire CX. And I'm using the Innovator hub, and we're going to see how we can get these lights in here to flicker and turn on and change color. And this thing can even make sounds, so you adjust your frequencies. But the first thing you want to go to is, go to where it says New Document, right there, click New Document, and then on the 9th one you see Program Editor. Now click on that, it'll say New, and click New, and you can name your program whatever you want. I'm naming mine, I guess I'll name it Video. And you want to, and the type is, you still want it to be a program. We'll move on to the next step. Now you need to hit the menu button. If you're in the program editor, you should have something right here that says Hub, the 8th. And let's say we're just gonna turn on the light for, let's say 5. Now I need to go to Set, and then you need to go to the, sorry I burped, the number 1, and you click Send, and then you go to Light, and now it's Set Light, and then I'm going to put On, Set Light On. You want to do all this in capital, hold Shift, and just click the letter. I'm sorry, I'm really slow at typing on the calculator, that's what I'm trying to get the point across. And now once you've done that, you're going to want to go to Control, and what should I say? Control B with set syntax and store, and that should be all you need to do. Now you need to go to Control Dock, which is open another page. Go to Calculator, so you type in your variable, which is video, and then put the parentheses. Now hit Enter, and as you can see, I have just turned on the red light, and I'm going to do that one more time for you. That's a simple string of code for you. Click Enter, and you see the red light come on? Alright, good. That is the second step of working with your TI Innovator hub. Okay, now for the blinking, which is a loop. You start off, you add, like I showed you before, you add another program editor, and you want it in program. Now the first string of code will be capital T text, then Control Multiply, enter capital B blink inside of that. Now, oh, I'm sorry, I'm gassy. You press the button Enter, then you hit capital R request, Control Multiply, capital number of times, and then after that you put comma in 4, capital 4, not all capital like this first letter, and then 4I, comma 1, comma N, and then you need to indent a couple of spaces. I'll show you the screen of the calculator here in a second. Capital D for disp, and then capital A at, and then disp at 1. That's your variable. That's actually, disp is your loop control variable. I just thought of it. The loop control variable. And then next you need to have capital S for send, and then put, like I said, Control Multiply, set light on. That whole string of code needs to be capitalized except for the 3 other letters in send, which is pretty obvious. And we already talked about this. Capital W, wait, and then put 1, and then send, like you did in the top one previously, set light off, wait 1, and then end 4. Now you want to go to, you want to Control Dock, or just hit Control R, either way, and here is the code. Let me show you the code on the screen. You have that. Now go down, and I'll keep on going down till the end of the code. And that's basically all you need to do. It's very, I wouldn't say simple, but it's there, it's explainable. But yeah, that's it. Now from here you can always just hit Control R, which will bring you to light 2. Now you press Enter when you're at light 2, that's the name of the variable, and it'll say blink, and you hit OK. And then it says number of times you want it to blink. I'm just going to put a simple 5 number of times, and now you hit OK. And if you can see this right here, I'm going to hit OK, and then it should blink 5 times. And I'm just going to do that one more time for the fun of it. Hit blink, and I'm just going to do, let's do another number. 3. Let's make it blink for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and that's how you do the, I don't know what to call it, maybe the, let's just say the loop where you can make it endlessly blink as many times as you want it to without having to make so much code, doing all that bull crap, and you just use the what should I say? The for I variable is I disp at, and then at the end of the program, this kind of made me mad off camera. I forgot about the end for and I couldn't get it to work, but I added the end for, which is the end of the for loop. And you always do that and hit Control B, make sure it's stored successfully. And you always want to save this, so just Control S, you want to save this document. And I'm going to add it as, this document is going to be a class A about how many people die from opioid drugs, and that's what this file name happened to be. I'm just going to put if while. I'm going to put that as the code name. Let me get this. Like I said, I'm pitiful. I said it right this time. Pitiful typer on the thing. Now if while. Now save that. Now I've just saved it. And that's going to be the end of the video today. I showed you how to make a loop with the Inspire CX and the Innovator Hub. And I hope you enjoyed the video. There will be more to come. More fun videos. Stuff like that. Peace out.